So before we start, guys, Ledger Nano has 30% sale on hardware wallets. It is simple, secure, customizable, free shipping. Don't miss on the limited sale of 30%. Link down in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to BitTruth, your host Mark Luther. In today's video we're doing another cryptocurrency news video, and today is the 24th of December 2018. Today there's a lot of bullish information, bullish news, which is going to interest you. So let's look at the titles first. A $10 billion Christmas gift for crypto as rally continues. This is one of them, like cryptocurrency price reports, on total market capitalization, dominance, all that stuff. Bitcoin's Lightning Network is quietly scaling for the next bull run. Another amazing, information coming in here. Stuttgart Stock Exchange to list Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum to upcoming crypto trading platform. And this is from Germany. Anyways, let's start with the first article. Okay, crypto markets rallying once again. So minor pullback on Saturday was just that. Things have moved upwards again as cryptocurrencies make further gains from their lowest lows of the year. Okay, the total market capitalization is back over $140 billion once again. BTC held support at $4,000 after a brief period just below it on Saturday. Okay, it spent most of yesterday at the same level but has continued to climb this Monday morning to reach an intraday high of $4,270 a few hours ago. BTC is currently up 5% on the day, to $4,240, and poised to make further gains. Now, I was just like an hour ago, I was just trading, and last time I saw it, it actually broke down the $100 level. So it keeps coming back up, back from the $100 level. So yes, that is another important information. And the time of writing is a bit like a couple hours ago. Anyways, Ethereum has had a rare spurt of action and has shot up 16% on the day, taking it around $150 since its lowest point of the year just over a week ago. Ethereum has made a 75% recovery. So if you invested a month or two ago, you would have seen at least 50 or 65% recovery, or profit. It has closed the gap, a little on XRP, but that too has had a strong day with a similar gain, taking it to 43 cents. Top 10 are all in green. The best performing after XRP, ETH, EOS, or whatever you want to call it, Litecoin and Tron. All day, 10% on the day. Tether has slipped from 4th to 9th. Now, I believe that Tether is going to slip from 9th to 4th again when the cryptocurrency market is going to go down. It's just my opinion, because every time, it's not 9th, it's 8th. Calm it down a bit. News BTC. Anyways, I believe that it's going to go up as, when fear comes back again to the market, when there are more, negative news. You know how bear markets go on. Anyways, yes, NEO running over 17% gains. Cardano is also making a strong upward movement, at the moment with 13% added. Binance Coin and Ethereum Classic are both up 9%. Rest 5 to 6%. Now, Binance Coin is not the best because most of the volume on Binance, something goes wrong to Binance Coin is just, blown up. Anyways, Pivx getting some FOMO, surge of 50% on the day. Ethereum had a surge up but did not have, 50% in one day. I think the 75% recovery overall. So if you did not sell yet your Ethereum, you can sell right now. Anyways, Qtum is also up over 20% right now. There are no major losers at the moment, but DGX DAO is back 5% as all others are gaining. Climbed for the 7th day in a row. It is currently $144 billion, up 7.5% from the same time yesterday, as $10 billion was pumped into crypto market overnight. Wonder why? Daily trade volume is up about almost $24 billion, which is also a very bullish sign. The Santa rally is not over yet, but there is still a very long way to go in the crypto land. Anyways, Bitcoin Lightning Network is quietly scaling for the next bull run. Anyways, Bitcoin passed more significant milestones this week as data reveals. Its Lightning Network LN implementation passed 500 BTC to $1 million 66,000K capacity for the first time. The Lightning Network sees parabolic rise. Statistics from monitoring resources 1ml.com confirmed the record capacity for payments at press time, with the number of accessible nodes also rocketing to 13.7% and channels close to 25%. The figures cap a period of constant improvements for Lightning, which has only added to its growth in both technical prowess and popularity in recent weeks and months. Subsequently, claimed that the cost of microscopic artwork was cheaper than a single grain of sand at 1 millisatoshi, and this comes from Adam Back, CEO of Blockstream. Interesting, millisatoshi, and these like 10 digits, other than 8 or 11, I'm not sure. If you want me to count them, that will take some time. Anyways, Bitcoin not going to zero. Lightning's achievement were just some of the encouraging signs Bitcoin remains in a stronger technical position than ever in its history, despite the Bitcoin price for the 4,133. I mean, I wish it's 4,133. It's more like $4,076. Continuing to hover around 4,000. Well, fair argument. Bitcoin could maybe fall as low as $2,000 or even $1,000, but no, not zero. If Bitcoin falls to zero, you're going to see at least people buying at $1. I believe Bitcoin, if it is going to fall one day, which I don't believe at all, it's just an idea to think about. If it falls to zero, people are just going to buy it, buy the whole supply and just have it, as a souvenir, or have it, as something, iconic in history, that is going to have that, value, that it is rare to have Bitcoin. I mean, I'm just feeling that it's going to become something that of history, people having Bitcoin, it's just interesting fact. And that's a milestone for an asset. Managing partner Alex Pack. Now, just for the record, his name is Alexander, but anyways, just for the people who want to research about him, he told Forbes. Anyways, for something like Bitcoin, which is a landmark in the history of money, it has become a more dependable store of value. People buying and using it have got it to be confident it's not going to zero. I mean, interesting opinion right there, Alex. I think I'm going to trust you with my money, or anyways. Now, the next best article, the best news we are going to have, at least for this day. Stuttgart Stock Exchange to list Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum on upcoming crypto trading platform. Now, the Bison app, fintech subsidiary of Börse Stuttgart, the second largest stock exchange in Germany, has announced plans to launch a cryptocurrency exchange platform with initial support for Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin. That's some interesting information on Bitcoin. Anyways, making the announcement in a post on its official Twitter account, as if it's not hacked. I'm just joking. Anyways, Bison app revealed that the new service will go into its exclusive beta testing phase sometime in January 2019, in what will be a significant move for a platform owned by Europe's 9th largest stock exchange. Well, interesting. It would be more interesting to hear the German government's opinions on this. I think somewhere in the articles talks about this. Here are more translated of the tweets, and nothing more important. It's just other way to saying all this. Anyways, this is game changer for trading crypto in Europe. Of course it is. Europe does not have that huge access to cryptocurrencies. At least for you guys in the USA, you have Coinbase, you have Robinhood. You have many ways to actually buy Bitcoin. You have many websites, many places. But for Europe, from what I'm concerned, when I visited Zurich last time when I was in Switzerland, there was no Bitcoin ATMs in Zurich. I think the only one I saw was, far from Zurich by 10 kilometers. So really just there's no, you know, adoption, okay, more in Europe, okay, as it is back in the USA. But you know, there are some countries that are selected in Europe that are doing that, but not very much. Anyways, SOA Labs revealed that Bison app was developed to rival Robinhood. So anyways, by providing fee-free trading to users. At the time, it was described by SOA Labs managing director Yulis Panskowski, I'm not sure how you spell that, seems like a Russian name, as the first crypto app in the world to be backed by traditional stock exchange. I hate to break it on you guys, but I think Robinhood has taken that, you know, that thing. I think Robinhood trades Bitcoin in it. Yes, it does, I think. At that time, the release date for the app was set for sometime in September, but a number of delays meant that has to be pushed in 2019, confirming the information provided earlier in the year regarding the crypto assets that will be supported initially. Okay, Bison app then posted. Okay, you also have the English translation reads, okay, yes, we start at Bitcoin, at ETH, LTC, XRP. More cryptocurrencies are then included step by step. Well, I think they are going to pick cryptocurrencies like, you know, and this is just, you know, my opinion. Okay, Zcash, okay, because Coinbase has already taken that. You're also going to have 0x, you're going to have EOS, you're going to have, you know, the big players in this space. I'm not sure about Bitcoin Cash, to be honest. I mean, I think that's a wise choice. The platform will offer users simplified ID verification. Okay, you need some ID, guys. Not anyone can trade on this. As part of a raft of design and UX solutions, okay, intended to create an experience that is seamless. I think that is wrote wrong. I mean, I'm not sure about you guys, but most of the articles I've been reading, if you analyze what they're writing, that you will see a lot of grammatical mistakes, you know, problems sometimes. Like other than putting are, they're putting is. But anyways, as possible. According to Spankowski, okay, you have Bison app users can expect to have their onboarding KYC process completed in a matter of minutes, as against 4 days it usually takes other platforms. Well, we'll see about that. That's what Coinbase has told people, but I'm not sure how that will go. Anyways, Crypto Radar, another tool that provides users with real-time market sentiment by aggregating and analyzing more than 250,000 tweets to gauge the investment mood and appetite of market participants. Following the January launch, the service will be rolled out in tiers to various users groups. Now, Germany's central bank and the Deutsche Börse completed a blockchain settlement trial as the world's fourth largest economy continues to explore blockchain adoption with a level of enthusiasm. So as you can see, at least Germany, you know, has some enthusiasm around Bitcoin. Would be interesting if they have more Bitcoin ATMs. I mean, that's in Switzerland, but hopefully in Germany that happens too. That has often not been matched by other global economies. Well, what about Japan, the USA? Well, the USA, you know, they have a lot of problem with most ICOs. That's why you have, you know, problems like, you know, the SEC shutting down most ICOs, or you having the SEC, you know, denying or, you know, just not approving the ETFs. There were a lot of problems. South Korea also, you have Malta, you have other countries, but because this is a major global economy, we cannot speak of anything. Anyways, guys, this has been the most important information you have to keep up with, okay, in 24th of December 2018. Merry Christmas, guys.